Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best aquarium air stones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yueton pack of 10-cylinder aquarium bubble air stone fish tank aerator. The small cylinder shape of these air stones means they don't awkwardly stick out, even in smaller setups, and your eyes are naturally drawn to the bubble effect rather than the stones. That said, the stones are slightly larger than in the Pawfly all-in-one kit, which helps them to provide a stronger bubble flow. There's no official pump power requirement, but we suggest a 2 to 4 W range. Less than 2 W, and the air stones won't produce bubbles to their full potential if your air pump is greater than 4 W. These stones simply aren't large enough to keep up. These cylindrical air stones will float unless nestled in the substrate or affixed with suction cups, but as they're small, we find this isn't much of a problem. Plus, the bubble rate is unlikely to disturb even shy fish, as long as you don't place the stone in their favorite hiding place. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vivosun Air Stone 2 PCS4 by 2-inch large air stone. The aeration provided goes beyond the requirements of a standard aquarium, as they're specifically designed for hydroponic systems, ponds, and planted aquariums. While the 4 inches length may not seem particularly large, it's more than double the size of air stones like the Yueton, and as such it requires double the pump power too. This makes a huge difference to the bubble rate, and the Vivosun is likely too much for tanks under 15 gallons. But for larger setups, these stones are truly excellent. Positively, the weight of these air stones means they'll stay grounded in your tank without further support, and we find this much easier than attaching/detaching suction cups when the stones need cleaning. At number 3, we have the Hygger Aquarium Air Stone Kit. These Hygger discs are one of only 2 air stones to offer a color choice, the other being the Pawfly 1-inch. This allows you to better match the disc with your substrate color, creating a more natural-looking tank that keeps your fish or live plants as the deserved focal point. The choice of disc size also means a choice of power, but whichever you opt for, you'll need to connect the stone to its own pump. You can't share multiple stones with another airline, as with the Pawfly all-in-one kit or the Wenshall 1.6. If multiple air stones are a necessity in your case, as you have a large or multiple tanks, you'll need to decide whether the benefits of the Hygger are worth purchasing an additional pump. At number 2, we have the Pawfly Aquarium Air Stone. If you're struggling for space in a tank that's pushing capacity, or simply want to avoid the eyesore of a large stone, these bite-sized cylinders should be your go-to. The blue variation contains a whopping 12 air stones, making it the cheapest, cost per stone, price we've seen, and a close contender for our top budget pick. Ultimately, we still gave Yueton the nod, as for a similar price you get larger and slightly more robust stones. Just remember that with the small size, there's an inevitable trade-off in output, with 0.8 L per meter being the maximum flow rate. By comparison, the Hygger Air Stone produces almost 4 times that. These tiny cylindrical stones won't win any prizes for their aesthetics, and you'll need to secure them with suction cups to keep their position fixed. But when they're in the tank, you'll hardly notice them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wenshall 1.6 small round air stones. The inclusion of 2 3-way splitters means you can power all the included air stones from one air pump. In other words, buy these stones and you can aerate 4 separate tanks simultaneously. Very impressive. This makes Wenshall air stones an obvious choice for aquarists with a multi-tank setup who don't want to face the financial outlay of buying additional pumps. We consider these cake-shaped stones a hybrid design of the various Pawfly cylinders and the larger, disc-shaped Hygger Air Stone. It's a nice middle ground, heavier and more stable than the former, yet smaller than the latter. They produce a surprisingly strong bubble rate for their size too. Unfortunately, they're loud. Much louder than anything else on our list, in fact. We see these stones as best suited for a multi-tank owner who uses a basement or garage space for their aquariums, rather than those who keep their setup in a main living space. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.